Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through what's new in vitepos version 3.2. Here's what's included in this exciting update. Wally payment method, price rounding feature, tips system, new sync settings, import role from WordPress. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. Now, let's dive in and see how to configure the Wally payment method. To get started, head over to the payment module in the admin panel. In the payment settings, you'll find a new option to enable Wally terminal payment. Go ahead and turn it on. Once it's enabled, navigate to the Wally terminal settings tab. Here, you'll need to enter your space ID, user ID, and secret key. You can find these details in your Wally account dashboard. After entering the credentials, click Save. Now, a new section called Map with Reader will appear. This is where you connect the terminal to a specific outlet and counter. In our example, we're selecting the New Year store outlet and the pay zone counter. Then, select the terminal you want to assign and hit Save again. To test the setup, go to the Pause panel, select a few products, and click on Pay Now. On the checkout screen, choose Wally Terminal as the payment method, enter the amount, and click Pay Now. We've included a real-time demo video for you to see the process in action. As shown, after tapping the card on the terminal, the payment is completed successfully, and a receipt is instantly generated inside vitepos. Now, let's see how the price rounding feature works. First, navigate to the vitepos admin panel and go to the Settings module. Then, click on the Basic Settings tab. Scroll down until you find the Enable Order Total Rounding option just below the tax calculation method settings. By default, this option is disabled. Click the switch to enable it. Once enabled, you'll see two rounding options for the total price. Standard price round. This means amounts are rounded to the nearest whole number using standard rounding rules. Values ending in 0.5 or higher are rounded up, while anything below 0.5 is rounded down. Conditional price round. This follows a custom method. Here, values ending in 0.5 remain unchanged, amounts below 0.5 are rounded down, and anything above 0.5 is rounded up. For this example, we'll select the standard price round option and save the settings. Now let's see it in action. Navigate to the Pause panel and select a few items. In our example, the total is $23, and we've applied a 2.3% fee, which adds 53 cents. Since this amount is above 0.5, it will be rounded up by 47 cents, making the final total $24. Note, if the fee were below 0.5, the system would round down instead. Now go ahead and complete the order. And as you can see, the total amount is $24 on the receipt. Now, let's explore the tips feature in vitepos. First, navigate to the vitepos admin panel. Note, the tips feature is only available in restaurant mode. Next, head over to the Role Access tab. Under the Pause Access section, you'll find the Order Tips ACL list. From here, you can grant or deny access to specific user roles for using the tips feature. In this example, we're giving the cashier role permission to access the order tips system. We're currently logged in as an admin. Now, let's navigate to the Pause panel. Right now, there are no active orders. Let's place a new one. Select a few items, fill in all the required fields, and proceed to the cashier module to take payment. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to access the tips option. Add a tip amount. In this case, the order includes two items totaling $18.89. When we add a $5 tip, the total updates to $23.89. After completing the order, you'll see that the receipt clearly shows the tip included in the total amount. Now, let's take a look at the new sync settings in vitepos. First, navigate to the vitepos admin panel, then go to the Settings tab and click on Sync Settings. Note, we recommend using Pusher for syncing, especially if you have a large number of products. It's more efficient and effective for real-time synchronization. In the sync settings, you'll find two types of configurations. One when pusher is enabled and the other when pusher is not enabled. Let's first check the settings when pusher is enabled. Here, you can define custom intervals for both product sync and order sync. You'll see options to set the sync time according to your needs. We recommend setting the interval to 30 minutes or 1 hour if you have a large number of products. This helps ensure proper syncing without performance issues. Next, let's look at the settings when pusher is not enabled. The options are quite similar. You can still set custom intervals for syncing products and orders based on your requirements, even without using pusher. When pusher is not used, syncing will depend on the browser, meaning data will sync based on browser activity, not in real time. That's why we recommend using the pusher. Now, let's see how to import a role from WooCommerce into vitepos. First, navigate to the WordPress Users module. To begin, we need to add a new user. Click on Add New User, then fill in all the required details. For this example, we're assigning the role of Shop Manager. Once completed, you'll see that the user with the Shop Manager role has been successfully created. Now, head over to the vitepos admin panel, go to the Role module, and open the Role List tab. To import a role from WordPress, click on the Import WordPress Roles button in the top right corner. From the list, select the role you want to import, then click Add Role. And that's it, the WordPress role has been successfully imported into vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.